Hello, students. Welcome back again in another informative and interesting episode of Virtual Lecture. Let us try to learn detailed information about blog. Yes, in today's virtual lecture, we are discussing all about writing a blog. Students, please do check description box for the marking scheme of this writing skill as per state board's instructions. Actually, the term blog is a short form of the word weblog. It is a discussion or informational text published on the internet. Blogs are written on various subjects. They are often informal diary style text entries, and every blog entry is known as a blog post. Blog posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order so that the recent post appear first at the top of the web page. From year 1994, blogs have gained much popularity as a medium of expression and communication. There are several types of blogs depending upon their subject. For example, fashion blogs, travel blogs, lifestyle blogs, and so on. Let us explore the interesting world of blogging through this virtual lecture. Actually, a blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web. Before blog writing became popular, people used to write or share their articles or their write ups through various media such as newspapers, television shows, magazines, books, or research papers. So, what is blog? A regularly updated website or web page, typically run by an individual or small group. It is written in an informal or conversational style. Blog is an online journal, article, or informational website. It displays information in the reverse chronological order. The latest posts appear first at the top. It is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. In an introduction, we learned about the meaning of a blog. Now let us explore the structure and finer aspects of blogs. Structure of blogs. Although the look of blogs have changed over time, they still remain some basic features and structure. Here are some common features that a typical blog will include. Header with menu or navigation bar. Main content with latest blog posts. Sidebar having social profiles, favorite content, or call to action. Footer with relevant links like a disclaimer, privacy policy, contact page, etc. Now, given below is the list of reasons and factors that explain how blogging can be beneficial for personal and professional lives of individuals. Blogs can make you organized thinker. Blogs give you a scope to express your feelings and views. Blogs help you share your passion. Blogs offer new opportunities. Blogs help you to make a difference. Blogs help you to share interesting information. Blogs help you to develop and refine your writing skills. Blogs can help you to make money online. Blogs help you in building your reputation and expanding your professional network. Blogs help you to gain media exposure. You can get instant feedback on blogs. Blogs encourage discoveries and diverse perspectives. Blogs open up a new world of ideas and connect us to global network. Now in the introduction we have learned about the meaning of a blog and structure of blogs. Now, how to write a blog post in 5 easy steps. Step number 1. First, you need to plan your blog. Choose a topic. Prepare an outline. Conduct relevant research and check the facts. Step 2. Think of a unique title for your blog post. Step 3. Write an engaging text containing introduction, lead, and concluding paragraph to sum up your blog post. You can also add your personal experiences and perceptions. Step 4. Use images to enhance the look of your post, improve its flow, put in some humor, and explain complex topics. Write short paragraphs, simple sentences, and words to make it easier for the readers. Step 5. Finally, you need to edit your blog post and make sure that there are no repetitions. You can also ask someone to review the text and provide feedback. You can end your blog post with a discussion, question, or a call to action. Now, let us see the format. Now, this is how your screen appears when you write a blog. Study it carefully. Now, let's study one example of blog writing having the title as Man is Free by Birth. Here you can see on your screen the example of blog writing. Let's study it. Rousseau was rightly said that man is born free and everywhere he is in chains. He tried to show the value of human beings in the history of human progress. Freud says that the conscience of a child begins to develop with the passage of time. Man is a unique creature of God. He is important not only as an individual but also an integral part of human society. Man is born free, but so called civilized society enslaves him to the chain of superior or inferior. Man is also enslaved in the chains of poverty, ignorance, superstitions, etc. All men in all nations are born with freedom, but they lose it when they are subjected to economic disparity. All humans are born with equal rights, but some are deprived of these rights. In fact, man is the enemy of man. These are man made features, racial discrimination, corruption, slavery, malnutrition, etc. are called the evils of modern society. Then, where is the freedom? All over the world, we observe the vast valley between rich and poor. Today, the whole world is fighting against the pandemic of COVID 19. The whole world seems to gather together to fight against this situation. This is absolutely the real revelation of humanity and freedom. So, thus, in today's virtual lecture, we try to discuss detailed information about how to write a blog. Now, thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy learning. Thank you.